Yeah, what's up guys, this is CSZ from CSZ's Art, and in this new video I'm going to be reviewing my brand new, okay, not really brand new, I got it just a week back, my brand new Acepen AP1060. Okay, let's see what we have here. So this is the tablet. I'm gonna pause this video and open it up. Yes, and I've opened that up. Look at what we have here. Choo! This is a 10 by 10, a 10 by 6 drawing tablet with 8 customizable buttons. See, this is what we have here. Okay, let me check for other contents of the package. This is it, so let me keep this aside so it doesn't fall off. I love you so much. Okay, well, let's keep that aside. And let me open up and see the other contents. I've really opened this before, so it's not as it was when I got it. Okay, you have the nibs, like how many of them here? I have 8 extra nibs, and you should really remove it. I don't know what this does, this RAM stuff. I don't really know what it does. Okay, and this is the disc, this is the driver. You really just, I'll show you how to install that in a bit. Okay, and here's the manual for you guys that like to read a lot of manual. This is it. Okay, good. Okay, this is where I got the pen from. Let me quickly show you what the pen looks like. It's like I put it here. Yeah. Okay, now that I got it out from here. I have the USB, very thick. It's thicker, apparently thicker than my phone's USB. I think this is secure. It can take you up to 2 years or more. I think so. Just press so. Okay, and this is the pen. Sleek wireless pen with 2 customizable buttons. I've used that already. That's why I know so much about it. Okay. In a few minutes I'll be showing you how it works. Okay, just. Okay, yes. After that, I'm going to briefly show you how it works. At first, you need to insert the disc. That is what I've done. Then open. Okay. Then connect the graphic tablet to the USB to your PC. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay. When that is done, go ahead and install the driver. Yes, look at what we have here. I'll click on Windows driver. Okay. Yes, I don't need to change that. It has a specified folder where to store the files. Okay, this is taking so long. I'll pause this video for a while. Okay, yes, when that was done, look at what we have here. It popped up. It said the driver was installed successfully. I should do a simple reboot. Well, it's working already. I think to save our time, I'll minimize that and try the tablet out already. Yes, after installation is done, I would like to quickly take you through the settings of the pen tablet. Okay, quickly go to Windows and open up the panel setting. Oh, it's not really working. Let me run this administrator. Okay, when that happens, just press OK. They figured it out. I found out maybe because I didn't reboot my system, that was why it didn't work at first. Okay, let's head out. Open up, go to Windows and look for tablet setting. In my own case, I have it up here already. So open up. Let me show you how you can really set up the pen tablet. Okay, I have a bunch of options here. We have info. This is just a basic monitor setting where you can set the position where the pen tablet works on your monitor. Then buttons where you can set the control of the buttons on the pen. You can set it to select the first barrier, set it to pen to anything you want to hear. then you can select the second barrel as well. Then the rest you can just read through and take care of. Okay, this is where I would like to come in. This is where you set the pen pressure. At first, just try to draw. It draws everything the same thickness. But if you should try increase this, let me get this off. Okay, if you try increase this, let me clear this off. Okay, see. What is this? Okay, this is where the pressure sensitivity starts coming in. You see that? See how easily the line gets thicker. But if I should increase this, notice that you need to press harder before the line becomes very thick. Okay, no. Okay, yeah, right. Okay, apply, then okay. Okay, I think that is all. Let me try and open up an app and check out how this works out. Okay, here I have GIMP opened already. Okay, let me choose a pencil. See, this makes your life really easy. Okay, I think the pressure sensitivity is not working really good with this brush. Let me take an actual brush. Okay, I know I've done this before. I don't know where the problem is coming from. Let me go back and check the pressure sensitivity. Looks real, yes. Okay. Doesn't really work here. I don't know where the problem is coming from. Okay, I think I should try this out in another program. Let me close this up and try pencil. Okay, here, welcome back. Yes, I have pencil 2D opened up. Let's try and start okay, yes. Pressure sensitivity works perfect here. See, look at this.